Should I turn it upside down? Probably, right?
I think it's good.
Think it's good?
We'll check it as we ride, and I'll just like come see if it's changed or not.
Alright, the beginning. Oh, cop! Cop!
What?
Cop. First part of our trip to Maine.
Okay.
We're gonna meet up with Brian and Shao. Alright. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Give it a try.
Good morning, or good evening. Not border. Oh my god. We're gonna get hit. We would have got there if it wasn't for the border. You know what, this is kind of romantic, you know? Welcome to the vlog, boys! This is just water now. There's no more road. Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Hey guys, ready? Second day?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get it.
Alright. We're going to Maine today, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so the plan is we do a 9-hour trip to Maine.
Stopping like.
No, we're not in Maine. We're not gonna be in Maine.
What's up, boy? It's your boy Zhao.
I'm coming over.
Fucking, we're going to Maine. Can you not say that?
Wow, my balaclava smells like ass.
Smells bad?
Well, time to get on the road. I'm good. Either way, whatever you guys want to do. What are we going to see though? What is there to see in Kitty Valley? I think we should just keep going. Majestical P. What is it, the third day? Today's day 3, right?
Day 3.
Day 3. We are currently in New Hampshire, making some scrambled eggs. Yeah, it's so sick. We're on a farm right now. I got horses, I got chickens.
They got fresh eggs.
Pretty sick. Pretty cool, man. Beautiful place, isn't it? Anyways, it's our 3rd day. We're making it down to Maine. It's gonna take about 4 hours. It took us 9 hours to get here in New Hampshire. Like Hampton Falls is what they call it. Staying at an Airbnb. They got lovely farm animals. Look at that. A horse, some chickens over here. Let's see it. Off to a good day. It's very hot. Gonna have to stay hydrated. So far, so good. Oh, by the way, this Airbnb place, sick. If you guys are ever in New Hampshire, lovely couple, Susan and Sean. They even gave us fresh eggs from their chickens. It's really nice to cook up this morning. The boys are getting ready.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Yo.
shit. That's good. Thank you for having us again. Take care. You guys want to go right? Straight? Where are we going? We should back our bikes into it. Me back it up? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. In Portland, Maine. Beautiful little place. Look at this place. Just taking a little break for the breeze on a very hot day. 40+ degrees today. So crazy. Oh, another rider coming. Oh, he's got the same helmet as you, Brad.
Shit. Wait, what the fuck?
We We got 3 more hours.
What the fuck happened?
Just luck. Just made it to the destination. We're gonna go grab some lobsters. Well deserved. We're all squidding because it's hot as heck. Oh, that feels so nice. So yeah, park in the street. Turn, yeah, you're good. And just back up straight. I'm going down. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
When I was 16, I came here
Damn.
and I fell in love.
Oh. With lobsters. No,
With
no,
lobsters.
no,
With lobsters.
Pretty nice.
Oh my
God. Alright, the lobster over here, lobster poutine. Got the lobster pot soup.
No, P.I. there.
Yeah, it's better.
You're lying.
No, I'm not lying. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's actually a lot better, bro. Sorry, bro.
No, I like this one better.
What is it, day 4?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Day 4, we're going to Acadia. The Acadia Loop. We start trekking back home today. Mr. Shao and Muck are sick. But Brian's fine. I'm good. So far. Who knows? Alright, we trek back. Benedict. Omelette. There's lobster in it.
Benedict.
Good for photo? Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
We're dying. It's very hot.
Very hot. Bikes are outside. Some weird guys on the corner there. You see, right there.
It's not funny anymore.
At least you're tall. We're mucking lobster again.
Yeah.
That's our last lobster meal, probably.
It's my 3rd lobster meal ever.
3rd lobster meal ever. W's. I wouldn't even count the breakfast. It wasn't
Okay, then my
that good.
2nd lobster meal.
It was actually not that good.
Yeah, that one was not good. It was so overcooked.
You kind of know because like it tastes more seafoody, so it's not as fresh.
Oh my days. We eating.
You're good tonight.
Shit. We at the beach finally. After like 3 days and a bunch of fucking heat. Alright, let's get in the water. There's a fort over there. Oh shit. Day 5. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh. Yeah, today marks day 5. We're going to, was it George Falls?
Glen Falls.
Glen Falls. I'm way off. Everyone's kind of sick.
Yeah, we're all dropping like flies.
I'm okay so far. It's gonna be a 5-hour trek today through some bit of twisties in the interstate.
This hand just ended all.
He's going through it. Baja fish, cheeseburger, and chicken waffle.
Baga.
So we made it to, oh goodness, this is so not.
Why do you record it anytime I fucking cough? I can't wait to do that.
So we finally made it. The rooms. Our last stop before going home.
5.5. Wait, and it took us like 7 hours to get here. All in.
Yeah.
So we took a lot of breaks
Yeah.
and enjoyed the views.
Yes. This is my room. Very nice. It's a little spooky, not gonna lie, but it's okay. Only here for a night. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I think we found parking.
I think we did it. I think we did it, guys. Oh, I feel like a terrible human being. I'm not used to this life.
Excuse me. What time did you guys get in here?
Probably like, what, 6? Maybe about 6.
What's the regulations for coming in here? Like parking wise?
$10 then. $10 You got
yeah.
bikes to break into the can.
Oh yeah?
And that's it.
Oh yeah?
We are at Lake George. It is July 4th. Is it Independence Day?
Independence Day.
Alright, Independence Day. Also this guy's birthday. Holy crap, look at that thing. Yeah, I could go first one right now.
I could. Wow, sugoi. Oh wow, that's so cool. Whoa. Alright.
Hello guys, today marks our last day and final stretch to push back for home. It's gonna be about 6.5 hours. Everyone is slowly waking up. Everyone looks pretty rough, sick. A lot of people are sick. Not me though, luckily. We're gonna make the big push today and back to regular life, back to working. But anyways, everyone's getting ready to go. Our final pack up.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
Hello, breakfast.
We are in what's that, Pembroke, New York. Yeah, it's probably our last stop by until we got home. We're filling up over there. I just filled up. Covered in bugs. It's okay. Final stretch. Oh no, I didn't know. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Wow. It looks fake. Marks the end of our Maine trip.
Yeah, we need a group photo. We don't have luck here though.